Okay, welcome back. Today I'm just going to go over some of the features and some of the things on this Monument Grill's Denali 425 that I didn't go over in my review video. If I did, it would have made it 30 minutes long. So one thing I did want to mention is, okay, down below you'll have the code to get the free rotisserie if you purchase this grill. Also, the first 100 grills that are sold, you get a free gift. So when you add it to your cart, there's a free gift thing. If you click on it, you can get a free cover. The cover does not come with it. That was one of the questions asked in some of the comments. I want to go over some of those comments and clear some things up and go over what I didn't go over. So if you buy one, if you're one of the first 100, I'd suggest getting a cover. You know, if you got your grills outside, you spend good money on them, cover them. Okay, all of my grills have covers except one. I don't have a cover for the one, or my drum. So anyway, let's get into this. Okay, so just so you know, this is a propane grill, but somebody always has to ask, where do the pellets go? Well, the pellets go in the smoker box that Monument Grills also offers as an accessory, or if you have some other smoke tube, that's where your pellets go. Okay, so now we got that out of the way, let's get into some more of this stuff. Okay, so one of the things I brought up was they include the batteries. Well, the battery is right here. It's got a magnet on here, and it'll stick inside out of the way. And this cover, you could have a screw in it, but you just slide it forward to get to the batteries, and that's how it is. It's 4 AA batteries. This controls these lights and the controller board over here. And then there's another battery over in the igniter, and it takes 1. So they send all 5 batteries. Okay, and right here is the igniter. This just unscrews and your battery goes in there. Okay, so that's where the batteries are and what they are. Now let's go over to the controller board. Before I do that, I'm going to take a couple of batteries out of this box just to show you. Probably just take one out and it would make a difference. But so I'm going to take a couple of batteries out, and then we're going to go over here to the controller board. Okay, so the controller board does not work, and I had mentioned you can use a power brick. Now this has the C port. It looks like it's a phone charger, but you know, 4 AA's will not charge your battery. So if you have a portable battery charger like this that has the C port connection, if you plug it in there and give it power, then your controller board will work, and you can use it for however long this will last. So if your batteries go dead, you got to do a cook, you have a portable power supply to charge your phone or whatever, you can use that in that slot, and that's what it's for. It's not for charging phone. Now the only drawback, and I've already emailed my contact at Monument Grills, it does not power the lights on here at all. On or off, it just doesn't do it. See, doesn't turn red, doesn't turn blue. Okay, so my suggestion to them is, you know, hey, if we're going to have a power block here, it should also be able to turn on your dials, your lights on your dials, because, you know, they're cool. You don't need them. It still operates without the lights, but you got the lights, so why not use them? Okay. So that has been, I have sent that to that email to my contact to see if they can figure out how to wire this up so when you put the power brick in, it also will light your dials over here. Okay, so one thing I wanted to show on the app, it has the off button, and you can't really see the numbers here. The sun is shining on it, but on the app, it has an off button. So if you turn it off, it goes off in here. My other suggestion to Monument Grills is when you turn that off, it should also turn your lights off. And even though there's a button here, down here, to turn them on and off, your app should in my opinion, also turn these dials off. Why? Well, let's say you just got done cooking and you've got everything inside and you're busy, and you just remembered you have to always manually turn your propane grill off, but you remembered that you left your controller on, your lights are on, you don't want to wear out your batteries. You should be able to turn the off button on your app and have it turn off not only the controller, but also the lights on the dials. I think it needs it. I don't know if anybody else does, but that would be something that they should really look into. Alrighty. See, nothing. Doesn't work off the brick. Okay. Or off the battery power supply. Okay, one thing I didn't go over was this multi-function warming rack. Some people did notice that there's holes here. Now these holes can be used for whatever creativity you want, but you can put chicken legs in here. I don't have any chicken legs, but you can put jalapeno poppers in there, depending on what size they are, and they'll sit right in there too. So this warming rack, I mean, you can cook your drumsticks on there, your chicken legs, do your jalapeno poppers on here, and it's a pretty nice little rack, you know, or you can just set your food on top. So that's what these holes are for. You know, like that jalapeno's too small for that. This one here, I believe, will fit. So there you go. One other thing is utensil hooks. From looking at it straight on, you don't think it has any, but if you move over to the side, it has 3 utensil hooks on this side, and you got 3 utensil hooks on this side. So there's plenty of utensil hooks. They're on the side shelves. They're kind of tucked in so you don't see them when you're looking at it straight on. And yeah, this thing's got just about everything. I really love the controller, but like I said, I don't love that. For one, even if you have the batteries in, if you turn it off from your app, the dials don't go off. You have to come out here and push the button for them to go off. If you forget, that'll drain your batteries. Then you'll need that portable power supply right there to hook it up. So, all right, if you got any more questions on this, definitely don't be afraid to ask. I'll answer the best I can. Again, free rotisserie, code is below. First 100 gets a free gift, and it's your choice, and the cover is one of the choices. I don't remember what the other choices are, but I would suggest the cover just to protect your investment. Okay, the black one here is the Denali 425, the stainless steel is the Denali 405, and the 6-burner is the Denali 605, and there are links down below in the description if you want to check those out too. All right, I think that's about it. Okay, thanks again for checking out the update of some of the features of this Monument Grill Denali 425, and thanks to my brother. He's a propane griller, and he asked me a lot of these questions that I'm answering in this video. He didn't ask where the pellets went though. Okay, hey, any questions? Ask below. Check it out online. If you get it, I don't know, it seems like it's a pretty good grill. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you on the next